I wonder.
Keep a gratitude journal. Keeping a gratitude journal is a great way to practice gratitude daily. Writing in your gratitude journal can be easily incorporated into your everyday life. And by writing in your journal at the same time every day, you can create a habit to practice gratitude. A journal allows you to focus your mind and write things down so that you can understand yourself and your values more clearly. It gives you a space to give thanks for all the things you have in your life that you may sometimes forget in the craziness of daily life. A good tip is to use gratitude prompts when you begin writing a gratitude journey to help guide you. Examples of some prompts you may use are, "My favourite part of the day is," or "Something beautiful I saw today was."